all must be hearing about stubble burning from here and there, here and there. So let me tell you this thing. So actually, India do not have a particular like its own satellite in order to monitor the areas of Punjab and Haryana where stubble burning cases are the most. So we use NASA satellite, that is ECWA and NPP, in order to monitor the area. So these two satellites are not specifically meant for India. So they basically come upon the Indian surface at 1:30 p.m. and 1:30 a.m. in order to for 9 minutes in order to like monitor the area. So in October they gave us the report that there is 40% reduction in stubble burning, and this is a decadal least stubble burning. So we were like, okay, we won't be having pollution this winter. But there is something like farmers were knowing this timings that at 1:30 am and 1:30 pm the satellite should be monitoring the data. So they were not doing stubble burning at these times. And then the NASA scientists, with the help of a South Korean satellite, got to know that it was no less pollution. It was actually a thick layer of pollution in the Delhi NCR region. Like farmers, they are so intelligent. Bhai band kar do